Hello guys,
myself Riya
and myself Nishant, and we welcome you in today's segment of CG Mashup.
आज के सेगमेंट की शुरुआत करते हैं हम आज की कुछ खास बातों से।
यार छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज, आज भी महाराष्ट्र में उनका कितना इन्फ्लुएंस है।
अकेले महाराष्ट्र में नहीं, एक्चुअली उनका इन्फ्लुएंस ऑल ओवर है, क्योंकि ही वॉज ग्रेट। मुझे उनके बाद मैं किसी भी महाराज को एडमायर नहीं कर पा रही।
नहीं करना चाहिए। उनके बड़े बेटे संभाजी, ही वॉज अ ग्रेट फ्रीडम फाइटर, और आज ही के दिन उनके डेथ एनिवर्सरी है। लेट्स हैव अ लुक।
Death anniversary of Maratha rulers Sambhaji Maharaj. On 11th March 1689, death anniversary of Maratha rulers Sambhaji, who ascended the throne after the death of his father, the great Maratha ruler Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He ruled the Maratha Empire for a period of 9 years and had constant struggles against the Mughal Empire. Sambhaji Bhosle was the second ruler of Maratha kingdom. He was the eldest son of Shivaji, the founder of Maratha Empire, and his first wife, Saibai. Sambhaji's rule was largely shaped by the ongoing wars between the Maratha kingdom and Mughal Empire, as well as other neighboring powers such as Siddhis, Mysore, and the Portuguese in Goa.
On 1999, Infosys became the first Indian company listed on a NASDAQ stock exchange.
1999, Infosys becomes the Indian first company listed on the Nasdaq stock exchange. Infosys, India's second largest outsourcer, became the first Indian company to be listed on the Nasdaq in 1999. It has emerged as the poster child for the Indian outsourcing industry, thanks partly to its strong revenue and profit growth, but also due to some deft brand building in India and abroad.
Let's have a look on Twitter trending.
Hashtag No Smoking Day. No Smoking Day is observed every year on the second Wednesday of March to encourage people over the world to quit smoking. No Smoking Day 2019 is being celebrated on March 13, but you can quit smoking on any day of the year. The main purpose of this day is to spread awareness about the harmful health effects of tobacco consumption through cigarette and other modes. Important message is to help smokers to get rid from the bad habit of smoking.
एरिया फोन पास करना।
हाँ,
अरे क्या काम के टाइम पे फोन यार।
हाँ चलो ना, मैं बाद में करती हूँ फ़ोन, वो थोड़ा काम है। यार क्या कर रहे हो? वो बेचारा चिढ़ रहा है यहाँ पे।
क्यों चिढ़ रहे?
अरे यार, वो केरला में 31 मार्च तक थिएटर्स बंद हो गए, तो उसके सब प्लान्स, आउटगोइंग सब बंद।
हाँ यार, यहाँ पर नेटफ्लिक्स के प्रमोशंस भी बंद हो गए। ये कोरोना
Coronavirus outbreak. Kerala movie theatres to remain shut till March 31. As Kerala confirms its 12th coronavirus positive case on Tuesday, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan announced that movie theatres will remain closed till March 31st, announcing a slew of measures to curb further spread of the virus in the coastal state. The state government has declared holiday for educational institutions. The announcement will hit movies that were scheduled to release Friday and later this month. The list includes Mohanlal's highly anticipated big-budget film Marakkar, Arabi Candlelight Simham, directed by Priyadarshan. A film was scheduled to hit screens on March 26. Chris Hemsworth cancelled India visit amid coronavirus outbreak. Hollywood star Chris Hemsworth on Monday called off his India visit due to coronavirus scare. The Thor star, who was supposed to promote his upcoming Netflix film Extraction along with director Sam Hargrave, was scheduled to arrive in the country on March 16 on a 2-day visit. Keeping in mind the health and safety of everyone involved and the travel advisory issued, the event has been called off, a Netflix source said.
Now let's have a look on global news.
Jyotiraditya Scindia quits Congress. 22 MLAs resign. Madhya Pradesh government crisis deepens. Chief Minister Kamal Nath's government in Madhya Pradesh was plunged into crisis on Tuesday when 22 Congress legislators, including 6 ministers, tendered their resignations. The development followed senior leader Jyotiraditya Scindia announcing his resignation from Congress minutes after Scindia met Prime Minister Narendra Modi along with Union Home Minister and Bharatiya Janata Party former National President Amit Shah in Delhi. UK Health Minister tests positive for coronavirus. British MP Nadine Dorries, a minister in the health department, has tested positive for coronavirus. She said in a statement on Tuesday, "I can confirm I have tested positive for coronavirus and have been self-isolating at home," said the Conservative MP. Health officials are now trying to trace where she contracted the virus and who has she been in contact with. Sources reported she had been in touch with hundreds of people, including Prime Minister Boris Johnson. She fell unwell on Friday while signing the document that declared coronavirus a notifiable disease.
यार आज एक चॉकलेट खाई पर मज़ा नहीं आया. नट्स वाली चॉकलेट थी, उसमें बहुत पीनट्स थे और आई हेट पीनट्स.
तेरे नखरे बहुत है रे. चल पीनट से रिलेटेड आज मैं तेरे को एक अननोन फैक्ट बता देता हूँ.
ओह
बहुत कम लोगों को पता है. तेरी जनरल नॉलेज बढ़ा. चल लेट्स हैव अ लुक.
Peanuts are not technically nuts. They're legumes. According to Merriam-Webster, a nut is only a nut if it's a hard-shelled or dry fruit or seed with a separable rind or shell and interior kernel. That means walnuts, almonds, cashews and pistachios are not nuts either. They are seeds.
यार मैं अपने घर के इंटीरियर के लिए ना मस्त बुद्धा स्टैचू लेके आऊँ. देख तो नाइस ना.
या नाइस, बट इनकी ओरिजिनल पर्सनालिटी ऐसी नहीं थी.
नहीं ओवरऑल सब ऐसे ही स्टैचूज है.
अरे नहीं यार, देखो इनकी ओरिजिनल पर्सनालिटी ऐसी थी.
The Buddha commonly depicted in statues and pictures is a different person entirely. The real Buddha was actually incredibly skinny because of self-deprivation. The Buddha Siddhanta Gautama was a moderately slim and is described as being slim like a deer. He is always depicted visually in this way.
Now that's all for today. We'll meet up in next segment of CG Mashup. Till then, hum nae. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.
And press the bell icon for more updates.